Baby, can you help hold actually? Help Andrew on his side.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are doing part 2 of me reorganizing and me turning my hoarding room into an office. So in today's video, we're gonna be adding all the IKEA furniture that I've been holding up inside of my garage the past year and a half, and it's finally time to put all these items into my hoarding room slash office. I need to stop calling it a hoarding room. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys watch part 1 of me just cleaning the entire hoarding room. It is sparkling clean now. So yeah, you guys don't want to miss part 1 if you guys haven't seen it yet, but let's go ahead and get started with part 2. Let's go. All right, so we are currently heading towards the hoarding room, and as you guys can tell, it sounds so echoey in here because it is completely empty in here. So this is what it currently looks like right now. She is completely empty. Nothing is in here, but we're gonna start adding furniture in here and setting up the IKEA furniture. Matthew and his brother are gonna help me bring everything inside of this room. The first thing I need to do though is measure this wall because I want to fill this wall with shelves that I have inside the garage right now, and I just need to measure it to make sure that everything fits because it would suck if I had them do all this work and then it just didn't fit in here. I have my little tape measure and we're gonna measure this room. That always scares me. So we have 7 feet and a few inches of space. Let's go and hang out in my garage really fast because I want to show you guys what I need. If you guys have been following me for a while and you guys remember the old house I used to live in, I turned one of the bedrooms into a complete closet. So I bought a bunch of closet supplies and like closet hardware and stuff. And now I don't know what to do with them. They've just been hanging out in the garage, and I figured I would start putting my makeup and just organizing a bunch of stuff in those shelves and just moving them to that room. So these things are massive. They're a little heavy. I mean, I could have easily done it with Matthew, but Matthew wanted to call his brother over to help us do this because he trusts his brother more than me, and it makes sense. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. We are gonna do a video where I clean out the entire garage. You're gonna see this garage. It's very messy. I mean, it's kind of like the home gym. I feel like everyone's garage is very messy, so this isn't unusual, but let's take a look at my garage. All right, here is the garage, guys. At one point, this room is going to turn into a better, cooler looking room. But for now, this is what the garage looks like. We have a bunch of exercise equipment for Matthew and his brother. Lauren actually gave us this thing. I think this is like an ab workout machine and a pull-up machine. Then we have a bench press, and I don't really know what this thing is called, but they work out in here at least like 3 to 4 times a week. These are actually the items I need in the new hoarding room slash our office space. So I need to measure out these guys. It is so dark in here. So these are what I actually want to bring over to the new space. I actually want to go to IKEA and buy more of these shelves so that they go all the way up. All right, this guy is 2.5 feet. Then we have a big one I need to measure as well. So this is the larger of the 3. 3 feet 3 inches. 2.5. What? That is so random that this is 3 foot 4 inches. That is such an awkward amount. I don't like this so far. Okay, so these don't fit perfectly, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in there, this one in there, and then that one back there, and then I'm gonna have to buy another one that looks exactly like this because the entire wall is 130 inches. If I don't cover the window, then it's 90 inches, but these are 30, 30, and 40, and so it's gonna cover like 10 inches of the window, which is gonna be freaking annoying, but it's gonna have to do for now. We're just gonna have to make it work. I might have to buy another piece from IKEA, but that's fine. Everything's gonna look cute once it's all in. So Matthew and Andrew kicked me out of the room. I was trying to help them. They're not having any of it. You okay?
Yeah. Hey baby, can you help hold actually? Help Andrew on his side. Okay.
update here. I haven't updated you guys in such a long time because I think we're all frustrated. I feel bad because Matt and Andrew have been helping me move for the last couple hours, and I hate these things in here. It just doesn't work. They're just too massive. This room is weird because the ceilings are curved. They're not straight ceilings. This is like an old school thing this house has, which is really freaking cool about it. Do you guys see how it's like curved? Well, because of that, it makes the room even smaller than it actually is on top of that. So all these things have to be like 3 inches off the wall, and it just makes the room feel so freaking small. So we're not gonna leave it in here. I feel bad. So update here, we took the drawers out of the room because they were so freaking massive. Now I'm kind of stuck. I really don't know what to do with this room. All the shelving and organization plans I had for this room are completely kaput. I'm honestly kind of down right now, but I know I just like need to pull it together. I'm feeling very, very overwhelmed because I was super excited to organize everything once the shelving units were in here. Now I just realized they look terrible in this room and I don't want them in this room. Also, I don't like the placement of the couch or the desk in this room right now. Matthew and his brother are currently working out. I told them they didn't need to help me anymore because I honestly don't even know what I want to do. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the couch on this side of the room and put the desk over here. I don't know. The couch is pretty easy for me to move. I can do this by myself. I just want to see what the couch will look like on this side. Okay, couch is here, kind of cozy. You walk in, couch is here. It's kind of nice actually. All right, we're gonna move these Alex 9 drawers I have right here to this side of the room. This guy is so heavy, but I can just kind of drag him on the floor like this. It's functional and it works. All right, we're changing things around again.
Why don't you put that back there?
Where?
This in that corner. Yeah, bro.
Oh my god, guys, an hour later and Matthew and I figured it out. Matthew came up with the best idea freaking ever, and he remembered that we had these shelving units in our garage. I think the room looks so freaking good now. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So you walk in, this is the situation that we're in. So I think I'm gonna like scoot all the shelving units maybe a little bit down that way so they're not like so like spread apart on this side of the wall. I think it looks amazing in here. We're gonna have like a really small rug in here. Matt and I are gonna take this guy out. Actually, I can just take it out. I actually need to move these the other way, and I'm gonna buy more of these and order these from IKEA tonight so that we have them for the bottom shelves all the way around, and then the top shelves can have like little random knickknacks in them. Yay, so now I have a place to put all the makeup that I have in this room as well. I also Postmated myself some boba. So good. So I want to show you guys a mess we completely made in the other rooms. Here is the living room. She's a mess. Bedroom, also a freaking mess. So I'm actually gonna clean the bedroom right now because Matt and I have to sleep there tonight. So I'm just gonna drink some boba and clean that room. Hey guys, it is day 3 of me cleaning my hoarding room, making it into an office. Holy cow, it looks so freaking good. Did not work on anything last night because last night I ended up buying a bunch of stuff from IKEA. So we're gonna head to IKEA today. I do have a bunch of like home decor pieces in my car right now. So I actually need to find my purse so I can drive my car and then take everything out of my car too, because my car is filled with stuff. My car is currently filled with so much stuff from Home Goods and Michaels, so I need to take that out of the car, but I need to find my purse first. Where is my, there she is. I have my purse now. I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna leave all this stuff in the backyard for now because I need to head to IKEA, and I'm gonna put everything away once I get back. Oh my god, this line is actually insane. All right, so I got to IKEA. This line is actually so insane. Luckily, I'm just picking up, so I'm hoping there's a separate line, but the line to just get inside is massive. There's like 300 people waiting to get inside. Like, that is not how I would want to spend my Sunday at 2 p.m. hopefully I get to cut this line because I do just need to pick up. I don't need to actually go in the store and buy anything. So I realized I don't actually need to wait in line. There's these little stalls right here. So you just push your QR code and then you tell them which stall you're sitting in, and they'll actually bring the stuff to us. So an IKEA worker is gonna come over and bring this stuff to me, and then all I have to do is just like load it into the car. So I'm just waiting in my car until that happens. So that's gonna be really nice. Oh, it is hot today. I just put everything in the car. Look at all the shelves and drawers and baskets that I have. So excited to put these all together today. Hey guys, I am back home now. I have so much stuff to bring inside, so we're gonna bring everything in. Please excuse the mess in my bedroom because I've just been moving everything around lately. Alright, that was the last of it. I am running out of juice, even though I just started. But I wanted to show you guys what the bedroom looks like during the daytime because you guys only got to see it at nighttime. Oh, man. So I still need to decorate everything, but look how good that looks. That looks so amazing. As you guys can see, these drawers are the wrong side up, so I need to actually get my drill bit and move all of those back into the right spots. But I did order more of these IKEA drawers from IKEA today. Also on Amazon, I purchased new drawer pills. I actually don't like these. I purchased new ones. They're gonna look like leather pulls. They're gonna look a lot more clean. But guys, I'm so proud. I want to show you guys this mess that we have in the living room because it's gotten even bigger. So yeah, these are all the TJ Maxx stuff, all the home goods, all of the IKEA stuff, plus everything that was in the guest room slash hoarding room is currently in here. I'm gonna organize that right now. I think I'm gonna end today's video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys wanna see part 3, make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you guys made it to the end of the video today, comment down below what time it is right now. So right now it is currently 3:30 p.m. in Los Angeles. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.